In this tutorial, you will learn how to find text or files in your SharePoint Foundation site using search. We will take a look at how search works, some examples of using search, and how to exclude a list or library from search results. The search box is located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the text box, type the keyword or phrase that you want to look for, and then click the search button to execute the search. When you search a SharePoint site, your query searches the current site and any subsites below it. To search across multiple sites, start your search at the home or root level. When you know that the content you are looking for is contained in a specific list or library, start your search from that list or library. Search results consist of list items, documents, and folders where SharePoint found the search keyword or phrase. Here are some other search tips. You cannot use wildcard characters such as the asterisk. The search is not case sensitive. Attachments to list items do not appear in search results. And use quotes around multiple words to find an exact match. I will start with an example of searching on a single keyword. Since I want to pull my results from any site or subsite, I will start from the home page. Then I'll click in the search box. Then I'll type in my search text, which is the name Smith. Then I'll click the search button. After a few seconds, SharePoint displays the search results window. The search results page displays the number of results that were returned for the search. I'm currently looking at items 1 through 10 out of a total of 13 items that it found in the search. When I scroll to the bottom of the search page, I'll have a button here to advance to the next page. My search results consist of files such as this picture file, as well as items from various SharePoint lists such as announcements and calendars or contacts. An item may appear in the search results multiple times if there is more than one view of the list in which it resides. Each item found in the search results has a link to take you right to that particular item. So I'll select this item here. This brings me to an item in a vendor list, and you can see the contact name is William Smith. I'll return back to the search results. I'll click on the link to this item, which is a picture for a James Smith, which is why it showed up in my search results. One way to narrow down the results is to provide multiple words in quotes to find an exact match. Let's say I'm specifically looking for any item related to William Smith. So I'm going to return back to the home page, click in the search box, and I'll type William Smith enclosed in quotes. Then I'll click on the search button, and I get just 2 results for William Smith, both referencing the same person in the approved vendors list as indicated in the URL paths. The first is for the individual item that we saw earlier, and the second is to the entire list which contains William Smith. Next, I will demonstrate a multiple word search without quotes. You can enter more than one keyword to search for, and SharePoint results will be items that contain each of the words but not necessarily consecutively. In this next example, I want to locate items containing both of the words business and skills. So again, I'm going to return back to the home page. In the search box, I'll enter both words separated by a space but no quotes. And then I'll click the search button. And this finds 4 items where both the words business and skills were found somewhere in the item but not necessarily consecutively. As you'll see here in the title and in the contents, you'll see where it highlights the text that it found for business or skills. In this next example, I'm again starting from the home page, and I'm going to search on the word budget. As indicated at the top of the search results, I get 11 matches. And looking at the URLs, you can see these are documents or content that come from various sites, such as accounting, marketing, and human resources. So next I'm going to search on the word budget again, but this time I'm going to go to the accounting site, and specifically to the calendar in accounting. And let's say for this example, I heard that the accounting department was going to hold a seminar for managing a budget, but I have no idea when it will take place. So I'm here in the accounting calendar. Go up to the search box, again type in the word budget. I get 3 results, but they are all related to the same event. The first item in the search results, which I'll select here, is the event details for the seminar. This is the record entered in the calendar showing me the title, location, and time of the seminar. The other 2 search results are 2 different views of the calendar where that same event displays. Next, we will take a look at how to exclude a list or library from search results. There may be contents from lists or libraries that will show up in search results that are not very useful for the users. An example being images in a picture library which are used for page design or marketing materials. SharePoint allows you to specify whether contents from a list or document library should be visible in search results. For this demonstration, I'll go to the Human Resources site, and I'm going to go to the picture library called Employee Photos. So to exclude these pictures from showing up in search results, I'll go to the List Settings, I'll go down to Picture Library Settings, and then Advanced Settings. Here is the search option where it says allow items from this picture library to appear in search results. The default option is selected to yes. I'm going to change this to no. But as mentioned in the description, if a user does not have permission to see contents of a list or library, they will not see them in search results either, no matter what the setting is. So after changing this setting, let's scroll to the bottom here, select OK to save. And just one more note about content showing in search results. When you execute a search, it runs through an index of your site, not the actual site itself. That index is updated at regular intervals such as once or twice a day. If you run a search that does not locate information that you know exists, it may be that it has not yet been updated in the index. It should appear in the search results within 24 hours. If not, contact your SharePoint administrator. So the next time you need to locate information on your site, but you're not sure where to find it, use the search feature to quickly locate it for you.